Hello everybody, I'm back with another mom box. I know it hasn't been that long, right? But mom had another box ready. This one is just a medium size flat rate box, so probably won't be as long as the other ones, but it's always fun to see what's in here. All right. Get it in the open. Here we go. You ready? Okay. Right on top, we have a Sears Kenmore sewing machine instruction book. I don't know what year it is, but I actually had one of these from somebody else, and I have used almost the whole thing in journals. I absolutely love the diagrams. They make great journal pages, you know, so that's fun. And she put a note that said, inside the cover is that funny piece of paper from my barn. She had sent me a picture of this earlier. It says Liar's License. And it's hard to read, but the bearer, having proven to be fully capable to lie, misstate, misinform, misrepresent, overstate, understate, and otherwise erroneously present the facts without hesitation or consideration, and being capable of making known to anyone, any place, any age, race, creed, color, especially regarding fish or women, whether drunk or sober, before or after meals, indoors or outdoors, January 1st through December 31st, inclusive, has by the undersigned been granted membership into the great, stupendous, colossal International Club of Liars of the planet Earth. So this is what it looks like. That will have to go into my personal journal, I think, because it's just funny. So, oh, and here's another one. How fun. Look at the old picture of the Maytag repairman. Well, I guess it's a Sears. Anyway. All right. Some beads for Gypsy Journals. A whole bunch of, oh, that's what these are. Okay, cool. Okay, so my Uncle Mitch is 2 years older than me, and I'm an only child, so we kind of grew up as siblings. I mean, I spent a lot of time at my grandma's, and so we grew up very close. Anyway, he also lives in the Midwest, and he found these for me at somewhere in Wisconsin at a junk picker's paradise. So it's a little muslin drawstring bag with a tag on it that says postage on back. I don't know what it's for, but it's freaking adorable, right? I mean, that is cool. So the tag is sewn right into the bottom of the little muslin bag, and there's a bunch of them. Look at this. These guys are gonna be like, what? Okay, let me get them all in my hand here. If I can. This might be a two-handful operation. No, I can do this. Well. Oh, that's a lot. Thank you, Uncle Mitch. I don't know what we're doing with them, but they are awesome. Awesome. He sent my mom a picture and said, these are mom box material, right? And she said, right. You guys rock. I can't be there, but I feel like I have eyes and ears, and my heart and soul is there because everybody's looking out for me. So these are scraps of, I think they're potato sacks. They're they're not burlap, but they've got a really cool texture to them, and they're already aged, so those are great scraps. My cat is down here trying to help me out. She's doing an awesome job. We've got some other like little ticking scraps in here. So those are fun. Yep, we find a place for those, huh, Taffy? And here's a couple little, here's a little pumpkin that my mom drew, and a little Christmas tree that she drew. For whatever reason, she cuts those off because she doesn't like them. They weren't up to her standards by some level. Here's a little DMC floss, you know, the band that goes around the DMC floss or embroidery floss in general, which I use for tabs on my journals sometimes. This is some ornament hooks that I think she asked me a while ago if I wanted these, and I said I would take them because last year I made some itty bitty journals on ornament hooks, and I will try to do that again this year. They do make a really cute ornament. This is some dried rosemary from her rosemary plant, I believe. Yep, that's what it is. So she can grow lovely rosemary in Minnesota. Here in Arizona, where I live, rosemary is practically a weed, and I cannot grow it. I kill it every single time. I don't know what my problem is. But Mom keeps me supplied, so no worries. Oh yeah, look at this, you guys. That's all of those vintage spool labels that I posted a picture of a while back. There's a whole bunch in there. I'm not gonna take them out because I don't know what I'm gonna do with them exactly, but that's a special project. So we have a little package of vintage Singer needles, a couple of tea tags, and then oh, that's such a cute box. Thank you, Mom. How cute is that? I know she heard me say that I have a little pile of old boxes now, which mostly came from her. And so she's sharing. Oh, look at this. This is what's actually in here. Oh, that just makes me want to cry. I don't know why, because I didn't expect it to actually be what's in there. Look at that. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Thank you, Mom. You rock. Here's some more vintage paper thingies. Here's another sewing instruction book. I don't know if that's all for the same machine or what, but that cracks me up. This is just a little vintage letter. She wrote on here, found in old dictionary. It says purchase. Well, we made it. This place is sure a mess. Can't find anything. Of course, I still have hope to unpack. Tell you I'll never move again. Shelton. She found that in an old dictionary. That's awesome. I love old dictionaries. I have found some treasures in old dictionaries myself. And then here are, this is, I'm thinking this is a Betty Crocker cookbook. It's the guts from a vintage cookbook, which you guys know I use them. So that's awesome. Thank you, Mom. And oh, a little package of dried catnip that my mom grows. She makes little catnip toys too. And then last but not least, a bag of, can you see that? Probably not. Dun, 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 Scrabble tiles. So that's fun. That's it. That's the bottom of the box. That was fun. Thank you, Mom. Thanks everybody for watching. Thank you, Uncle Mitch. Those are amazing. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I'm super excited about them, and we will find a use because they are way awesome. So thanks, you guys. I'll talk to you next time.